The criminal case against a Flint City councilman accused of domestic violence and felony assault will move forward.
Investigators say Leon El-Alamin got into an altercation with the mother of his child at a home in Mount Morris Township. TV5's Zane Omer was in the courtroom today. She has the latest. Zane?
Chet and Meg, the alleged victim and police officer who responded to the home, were among those to testify in the courtroom today. Flint City Councilman Leon El-Alamin back in court Tuesday for preliminary examination.
People in the state of Michigan versus Leon Abdullah El-Alamin.
The first witness called to the stand, Daquisha Martin. According to Martin, she was previously in a relationship with El-Alamin, and the two share a son. She says they were alone in their Mount Morris Township home when the alleged incident took place on July 10th.
We're shooting emails to let people know the things that he was doing.
Okay. How did Mr. El-Alamin respond when you told him you were looking through the emails?
Very aggressive. He grabbed me by my shirt and yanked me out of the chair and pulled me towards the door.
Martin accusing El-Alamin of following her into the kitchen from their office, allegedly choking her with his forearm while pulling her hair.
As a result of that pressure, were you able to breathe?
I wasn't able to breathe, just trying to catch my breath and trying to get loose from him.
Martin says she threw her phone and took El-Alamin's city-issued cell phone to call 911 from the bathroom. Defense attorney Roland Sizemore questioning Martin about the police report. According to Sizemore, the report shows Martin told officers El-Alamin had punched her in the face in the office.
No, I don't remember that. He didn't punch me in the face in the office. He just grabbed me up by my shirt and threw me towards the wall.
Okay, so this statement in the police report is wrong?
Yes.
Okay.
The defense calling up the Mount Morris Township police officer who wrote the report for impeachment purposes. He did not remember if Martin had indicated she was punched in the office that day.
I recall that he did punch her multiple times in the face. I don't recall what room it was in. When I read first on the scene, she stated she had pain on the back of her head. And that's when I also seen lacerations across her nose, a bump on her face, and blood was also showing.
Judge Vicky Bea Haley finding sufficient probable cause.
Regardless where it happened, the evidence is clear from her testimony that the defendant choked her with his right forearm and was hitting her in the backside of her head. The officer observed some injuries. There's sufficient probable cause to bind the defendant over on the charges of the complaint.
El-Alamin was in the courtroom but did not speak today. He has previously said the accusations are false. The case has been turned over to Judge Hannibal. Reporting in Flint, Zane Omer, back to you.